There we go. One very quick little fireplace. Just some rocks. I mean, it's not massively stable, but it's, you know, do the job, hopefully. And the smokiness says bye bye bugs. No more bugs. Blowpipe, very handy. Looks a little bit more campery-ish. Is that a word? Oh, it is now. I mean, it's not, you know, architecturally sound, but does the job. I've got it angled it just the right way because that's where the wind always seems to really come from. Yeah, and that's just what was in the immediate area. Who knows? Maybe I'll find some house bricks. Doubtful, but people have been building houses in this country for a couple of thousand years, so it wouldn't be beyond the realm of reality. But yeah, maybe a few more rocks that are a bit less wobbly. So, finally have a nice coffee in a nice little new cup. You need to tally, eh?